Right, today we have this range extender, the TP Link TL-WA860RE, which has the, I think they refer to that as AC through or something like that, AC Passthrough. So, yep, just going to do a quick look at this, see what's inside. Very nice, easy box to get into. Hopefully it works well, because I've already ruined the box. But never mind. Right, how do you get in here? That's my annoying birds. How on earth are you supposed to get into that? Oh, it's smaller than I was expecting it to be. Right, you get an Ethernet cable and some junk. So put that aside for now and look at the junk. Warranty information, general public license notice, technical support, that noise is so annoying, some other junk, and a quick start guide basically. So, remove all of the plasticky stuff. This is hopefully going to be a nice, quick, straightforward one. Right. Oh, they're weird. They look very cheap. But then it was cheap, I guess, so... I don't like the way that they sit like that. They don't sit upright. But they will if you force them. Yep, there we go. You've got a reset button there, which you might get away with pushing with your fingernail. WPS and switching it off and on. I've not got a plug with me as it stands, but yeah, that's straightforward. AC Passthrough, so you plug it into your socket and you can carry on using the socket after, even with a range extender plugged in. Fused, of course. Oh yeah, there is a Ethernet port underneath, so you can use it in range extender mode and connect something else to it and use it as a adapter. I seem to always be collecting Ethernet cables. What is this? It's only 300 megabits, it's not AC or anything like that. And it only seems to be running on 2.4 gigahertz network frequency. Right, this is a Cat 5. Not anything fancy, but then I'm not really expecting anything fancy for this. So there we have it. Grab that back in there. Bada bing, bada boom. There is our nice little range extender. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, like seeing what's in the box. Join me for the next video, hit subscribe, all of that stuff, thumbs up preferably, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.